This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. What's up, everybody? Marco here from the Heavy Hitter Club with a ChatGPT 4 prompt with, in fact, what I'm calling the only prompt you'll ever need. So earlier today, we had a members only webinar, and I went over a prompt to improve any other prompt. So any other prompt that you can find, it can be improved. You can make it better. And so in the following video, you are going to see how. So take a good look and stay through to the end so that you can see how this works. What I started thinking about was, how do I improve this prompt? Is this the best that it can be? Because it gave me, who was it? Susan wrote an article following the prompt, and she said it worked fantastically well for her. It gave her the FAQ schema. Yes, if you're in ChatGPT, you have to tell it, please continue writing, so that it finishes whatever it's doing. She even suggested to tell it, instead of just please continue, is please continue writing. She said add that, and it works even better. So if you're in ChatGPT and you're doing this, when it stops, and it will stop because you're spending tokens, and even in and I'll go back to the window, even in the playground, you have a limited maximum length of credits, which is 2048, and sometimes it will stop there somewhere along the line because you've burned up your tokens, and so you need to start again with another set of tokens. All right. So what the hell am I talking about? What I'm talking about is, again, is this the best prompt that it can be? You're an expert content writer? Yes. You're also an expert in SEO? Yes, I wanted to have both of these abilities. And what am I trying to get it to do? I'm trying to get it to write me a 1,500 word or longer article for the term. And I've used prompt engineering, and I think I've used best coffee. I can pull that up because I even had it write the article, give me an what do you call it? I saved that as an index, as an HTML index file, so that you guys could see what it would look like. And I even gave you guys a prompt to write, to code an HTML website, a responsive HTML website, where it would give you the image, an image box as a placeholder for where your images should go. But I'm constantly thinking, how can I improve this? How can I make this better? How can I make this like the best 1,500 word article that it can be? And well, I said to myself, if I go before this, and instead of that, I tell it that it is what I'm trying to be, because I'm not. What if I go here and I tell it, you are a prompt engineer for ChatGPT 4. You will analyze my prompt and give me any and all suggestions that are necessary for me to improve my prompt. Do you understand? Ask me questions so that you can understand what I want instead of what. Let's say, understand what the output is that I want, and we can improve my prompt. And this is where, if you were free before to write prompts, to write great prompts, to give you the output that you need or that you want, imagine now being able to take your prompt and having the AI bot, which has the ability to be a prompt engineer, a much better prompt engineer than you can ever be, and have it examine. So let's look at that. Let's look at that. So we'll just paste that in there. and hit go. We don't have the prompt yet. I'm prompting it to be a prompt engineer for ChatGPT 4 first. And then it's going to answer me. Yes, I understand you want me to analyze the prompt. So in order to assist you, I need some more information and the desired outcome of the prompt. So it's going to ask me these questions. Target audience. Look at that. Now we're starting an iterative process. It's the back and forth so that we take the steps to fix my prompt. So once it provides the details, so it's wanting me, it doesn't know that I have a prompt. Now where I go is, I'm going to try without answering those questions. This is the prompt. Let's get away from this. I want you to help me improve. Is that, yeah, to help me improve ask me questions about, so it might ask me the same questions about the prompt above, and let's see how it does with that. So still wants me to answer more questions. So now I'm improving it because it wants to know tone or voice for the article. For example, should it be formal, casual, authoritative, conversational? I left that out. Any specific topics or subtopics that should be covered by the article? Do you have any preference for the number? So I didn't give it the number of FAQs. So I left it up to the bot to decide. How cool is this? Specific keywords or phrases you'd like to be included for SEO purposes? Or should the focus be on the provided title and meta description? Would you like any external sources or references to be included in the article? Or should it rely solely on the knowledge of ChatGPT 4? So this is telling me, look, I can go outside of 2021 and I can go to other websites and extract information. You can send it to the competitors. You can do like the world just opened up to you from this simple as prompt. How simple is this? But this, now we go back. I get excited. I get excited, and I'm liable to drop an F-bomb any second. I'm gonna drink some water and relax. I don't know if you guys realize how monumental this is. I don't know if you guys realize how good this is, because no matter how good someone's prompt is, you can always improve it. No matter how good your prompt is, you can always improve it. How can you improve it? How simple is this? And there you go. Simplify your life, simplify your prompts, simplify your projects, and get better results. Until next time, see ya. This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.